Hello friends, today we are going to look on history of Python. In this first, we will look on who developed Python, where Python developed, why name Python, and who is Guido Van Rossum. Now let's start history of Python. The Python was developed by Guido Van Rossum between 1985 to 1990 at Centrum Wisdom and Informatica CWI, which is located in Amsterdam, Netherlands. And the Python first version released on 27 February 1991, and the Python was derived from ABC language. And the Python came into market in 1989 and Java came in at 1996. That means Python is older than Java. And now the Python was developed and maintained by core development team of CWI Institute. Now let's see why name Python. The Python founder Guido Van Rossum had a hobby for programming that would keep him occupied during Christmas, and then he decided to develop a new scripting language. For that, he was searching a name, and during that time, Guido Van Rossum also watching Monty's Python flying show. Then he decided to pick Python as a name for his new scripting language. Now, as you know why name Python, then let's look on who is Guido Van Rossum. Guido Van Rossum, born in 31st Jan and 1956 at Haarlem in Netherlands. Then he completed his master's degree in mathematics and computer science from University of Amsterdam in Netherlands in 1982. After then, he worked for various research institutes. From 2000 to 2003, he worked for Zoop Corporation, and from 2005 to 2012, he worked at Google, where he spent most of his time developing Python language. And in 2013, he started working for Dropbox. This is the complete information regarding who is Guido Van Rossum. Now let's recall what we have learned during this video session. First, history of Python, then why name Python, and finally, who is Guido Van Rossum. If you learned something, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. In this next video, we will look on features and derivation of Python. Thank you.